Oh!
I'm sorry, man. Your test results came out and you have a hole in your heart. You've been diagnosed with leukemia.
No son of mine will do that good for nothing music.
You're not even listening to what I'm trying to say. That is not the point.
What exactly is the point?
So it took you 100 hours to open the door. Can we babe the inside?
Guys, shut up, man.
Not true, we babe the inside.
There's no babe. This guy didn't know that to you. I'm actually serious about this Clara girl. Swear. She's the most beautiful thing that has happened to me, and I'll only be stupid to allow anything to spoil that.
You? Wait, but I mean, you just met this girl, man. And you're already in love with her like this.
Bro, you know one thing about love, yeah? Love leads to strange places, but when you find real love, you've definitely found happiness.
Mr. Lover Man.
Leave me. I like him like that.
Okay, well, I've heard you. So what's the happen now?
Guy, don't freak out, though.
Who die?
I want to quit my job.
Okay. And you know what my question would be?
Why, Abby?
Yes, why?
My mom. This guy, she thinks she owns me. She wants to control every aspect of my life. What I do, what I drive, what I wear, where I go. And I am sick and tired of it. I'm not getting any younger, and I think that it's high time that I do what I want, what I am passionate about.
Which is?
My passion. Music.
Guy, you're mad. Music. Wait, you call that a dream? Wait. You want to leave your mom's company for music?
Guy, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, music is literally the only thing that makes me happy. The only thing that keeps me sane in this insane world, and I want to be sane.
So, of all things in the world, you chose music. So you want to leave your mom's company to do music? Wait. Are you sure you're okay? Come on. You practically have everything working for you. Your mom get dough. Like, she's highly connected and willing to give you anything, everything.
That's the point, my G. She's willing to give me everything, but with that everything comes her lording over my life, over every single thing that I do, guy, and I am fed up. I am a man. Do you understand? I am a man, and what is the essence of having all these things, the cars, the money, flying anywhere, if I do not feel fulfilled?
Guy, shut up, I beg. Money answered all things. All things.
Money answers all things. Can money buy happiness?
I would rather be seen smiling in a Bentley than sad riding a bicycle. Guy, think now.
Yeah, same.
So, does the mom know about this?
Well, guy, I've told her she's going mad. She's going mad. It's looking like if I'm going to do this whole wilderness thing, I'm going to do it broke, because she's taking her hands off anything that has to do with me.
Jimmy, why? Why do you want to suffer? Wait, why have you chosen to struggle like this? Your mom is stinkingly rich. Why don't you just stop this music madness and ride under our influence? Eh? You want to struggle like people like us, like me? You think it's easy out there? Do you know how many people would do anything to be in your shoes?
Guy, my shoes hurt, man. My shoes hurt. I don't even want my enemy to wear my shoes right now.
Your shoes are freaking Gucci. I would rather be wearing the size 5 Gucci than be seen comfortable in an Abba made. What's wrong with you?
Guy, listen to me. I have decided to do music, and I'm not going back.
Yes, I destroyed it. Because no son of mine will do that good-for-nothing music. I will not sit down and watch you pick music over business. Oh no, I will not.
Mommy, you're not even listening to what I'm trying to say. That is not the point!
What exactly is the point? I carried you in my womb for 9 months. I gave you life. I give you everything. So right now, you will shut that devil that is speaking through you and allow the God in me to speak up.
Okay, so what are you not trying to tell me now? No, what are you trying to say? That God told you to carry my guitar and destroy it? Listen now, that sounds ridiculous.
What is ridiculous is you being unreasonable. You want to use your nonchalant attitude and your stupidity to destroy what I have built over the years, what I have labored and toiled for. I will not allow that. That is over my dead body.
Mommy, please, if you can just listen to me and just...
Hey, there is nothing else to talk about right here. Okay? We're done.
No.
Ogajimo. Baba,
Gregory, what is it?
Ogajimo, I just dey observe you, man. Baba, you dey boss. I just hear your voice, and you just do me like saying, boy, maybe I start to sing anyhow like you. If I just get your voice.
Gregory, of course you can now.
Me, Abi, you dey talk to another person.
You.
I beg God to talk like that. The guy voice say they sing anyhow. See, if you want curse me, just curse me. If you just come and talk, say I just dry anyhow. He said me they tell me say with my frog voice and they see like I can just say I beg, no insult me. I just they give you accolade.
So what is it? What can I do for you?
Nothing serious nah. Nothing serious. Me just want to tell you say maybe you continue this your music. Not stop. No ever stop this music because you get the talent.
Thank you very much, Gregory. I don't understand why my mom is so vehemently against me singing.
No understand that. Even for inside the house, people they say enemy on music day. Forget you, Baba, you good nah. For your generation, they never see any young artist way boy clear like you. Baba, you cut clean nah. You don't even need a keyboard. You dey stand well.
Oh wait, Gregory, why are you telling me all this now?
Nah, don't you know say somebody is doing something. If you don't continue to do it, you can crash. So I want you to continue to do this thing so that in the end of it, when you blow now. When you blow, I blow. You understand me? And when you don't blow now, you will need PA or manager, and me go be the person. You understand? So as they make her, me say they make her.
Thank you.
Because I don't be tired for this work. I don't want me all of us make her.
No worry, I no go forget you. No worry.
And I believe you. I mean, give me one voice again.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You got it.
Pick up.
What's up, babe?
Yeah, babe, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm just laying in bed, bored. You?
I'm alright, man. I'm just chilling. So you know what? Yeah, we're gonna have dinner at mine today by 7 p.m.
Sure. Okay. No wahala.
My mom is gonna be there, so that way you can meet my mom and we can have dinner. Killing two birds with one stone.
Your mom? Are you serious? Like, she's going to be there as well?
Yes. She's gonna be there, and don't start acting scared because she's not a vampire. Okay, she's not gonna bite you. Just come, be yourself. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
All right. So what I'll do is I'll send someone to come and pick you up by 7. She doesn't like lateness, so I beg. So just be ready. You know that makeup voila that you always do.
Okay. No problem.
All right. See you later.
Bye. Okay. What do I wear? Yes. Whoosh.
Yes, ma. And when you say if I won't say now, madam, I don't feel already. So you don't call me.
I just like to know if you want me to dish your food now.
Sure on you. You see me like this, the way organs pepper water me down. You asking me, she want me to serve food. Go and get my food, Joe.
That's an innocent question, Ajani.
Wow. Sorry, nah. Mabinu. No, you want to say you're hungry somebody, is angry somebody. Okay.
You mean a hungry man is an angry man?
Benny, that's right. You understand? You see that's why I like you. You understand? You have brain, you have sense, you have everything. You can cook. I don't even know where I work in this guy. Useless place. You're the one that will be there to say she carry front, she carry back, she took packet. I can't be
Oh, please, Ajani, what is wrong with you?
Sorry, nah. It's love I have for you now. You know I love you. I can do anything. I can drink fuel. I can do anything. I can even move my hands. I shook it. I want to give it to you. Roll my liver. Give it to you. Roll my kidney. Give it everything.
You are sick. For this, I'm only going to give you one piece of meat.
Me, one piece of meat. One if I will rely on, you will not try it. You will not try it. If not, I will like give you one dirty stab on that your face.
Yes, Joel. Yeah, the driver will be with you in like 5 minutes max. All right. What do you mean by you're nervous? Behave, Joel. I said she's gonna be nice. Like, she's gonna be nice today, I promise. All right. I'm sure you're looking pretty. Don't be silly, Joel. No, she's not here yet. She'll be here in probably 10 minutes. She's never late. Okay. Okay, no wala. Oh yeah, hurry up and come, Joe. Get off the phone. You like gist too much. Alright, bye. No, you hang up. I know, I'll see you soon. Yeah, kiss. Bye.
You should try to wear some nice perfume. She would like it.
Wait, how do you even know who I was?
Hello, love. Remember?
Okay, so that means that you've been eavesdropping on me, have you?
No, sir. Let's just say your voice was inaudibly loud.
Inaudibly loud. Come on, go and set table, Joe. She's saying I'm inaudibly loud. English, I don't know where you learned from.
What's up, darling?
Hi.
How far?
Clara, baby. Where are you going to dress like this?
I have a dinner date.
A dinner date? With who?
Really?
Jim?
Yes, no.
And you want to go alone without me?
Babe, I'm actually very nervous.
Why?
His mom is going to be there.
That woman. What is she going to be doing there?
Help me ask her. I don't understand. But let's see.
Well, that woman, I heard she protects her son like wildfire. As if somebody wants to come and devour the son.
Babe, that is my point exactly. Like, what if she doesn't like me? What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to act in front of her? Huh?
No, don't say that, okay? She's going to love you. You don't have to be nervous. Don't worry. I wish you luck. You have all the luck in the world.
I just hope she likes me.
She will like you. She doesn't have a choice.
That woman is a bit scary, Sha.
Anyway, your dress looks so pretty. So nice.
Oh, thank you. Let me quickly try to finish this makeup before the guy gets here.
Alright.
Babe, can you calm down?
Jim, what if she doesn't like me?
Why would she not like you? I mean, have you looked at yourself? Who would not like you?
You're always trying to charm me one way or the other. Sure.
I'm just spitting facts, man. Just relax, okay? Mom.
You didn't come to work today. I was left to do all the work.
I'm sure you survived, Mom.
Good evening, Ma.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, Ma.
Ekaite. Bring the wine, please.
Jim, you do smell very nice. I like your perfume.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that.
actually cost me $500.
What?
Mommy, what does the price of the perfume have to do with anything on this table right now?
Oh, it is very important. So that you can know that I love you so much and that I can do anything for you. Sorry, I need to get this. Excuse me. Okay.
Oh, man.
So, have you told your mom about this yet? Or would you want me to?
No. No. I don't want to tell anybody about this. This is between me and you.
But that would be unfair to her. Or don't you think so?
How long? Doctor, how long do I have to live?
Well, with proper medical care and taking your drugs, you have limited time.
Are we talking years? Months?
We're talking months. Months. You're dying.
Jim? What's wrong? Your eyes are a bit teary.
Oh, I have a headache, babe. It's nothing to worry about.
Really?
It's nothing to worry about.
You really do think I'm such a fool, right?
I said it's nothing to worry about. Just calm.
Jim, it's not even funny. Why can't you just tell me what it...
I will be fine eventually. It's fine.
Oh, we're going to have a wonderful dinner tonight.
Yes. How's work?
Yes, ma'am.
Work. Serious as usual. So,
Ma?
What's your name, baby?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, ma. I'm so sorry, ma.
Fine.
I'm so sorry, ma. I didn't mean to.
I am sure you like to go to the restroom and dry your dress.
No, I'm sure there's no need for that, babe.
Yes, I'm sure.
No, it's fine. Let me...
Jim, it's okay. I got this.
Mom.
Bye.
I'm so sorry about that, ma.
Feel better now?
Oh, yes, ma, I do. Thank you.
You still haven't told me whom you are to my son.
Well, my name is Clara, and I'm Jim's girlfriend.
Oh, I see. You must have swept him off his feet.
No, Jim is actually the charmer.
Oh.
Yes, ma.
So what do you do?
Well, I work as a marketer for an insurance firm.
Oh. I know quite a number of them. Which one exactly do you work with?
It's a really small firm and you might not know it, but Jim has actually promised to secure me a better job.
Who is your father?
Oh, his name is Mr. Adendu.
That doesn't even sound like a name of an influential person. What does he do?
Well, he was a roadside carpenter before he died.
And your mother?
She was a petty trader. She died shortly after he did.
Oh, you poor child. Of a nobody.
Excuse me?
Shut up. You heard me. I can see that you're clearly not in the same category with my son. And as such, you're highly unfit for him.
I'm sorry, Ma, but I don't understand you.
Simply put, stay away from my son.
Ma, I love Jim, and he loves me back, so
You heard me right. Don't push me, young lady.
You guys are back. I was going to send the search party because I was wondering maybe you guys got lost or something.
Oh, we were just chit-chatting.
All right.
Jim, I have to take my leave now.
I don't understand. I'm lost. You just got here. You haven't eaten. What do you mean by take your leave?
She's probably just tired and she needs to go home and rest.
Hey, Mom, can you please allow me to speak to my girlfriend? Babe, please.
Jim, it's fine.
Why don't you leave the young lady alone? She wants to go home.
Mommy, her name is Clara. Babe, Clara, can you sit down, please? Thank you very much.
Jim,
Please.
it's fine. Thank you very much
I don't
for
understand what's
dinner.
going on. Babe, sit down.
I'm so sorry.
What is... Clara? Mom, Clara! Mommy, what have you done this time?
Bring you back to your senses.
Hello? So now you're sleeping, so you couldn't wait up for me, Abby?
You're back so quick.
Yes, I am. Well, it was a nice night. Tell me everything that happened. So the house was really beautiful. There was dinner. There was red wine.
Aww.
And his mom, she was super nice to me.
I told you she was going to like you. Didn't I?
I enjoyed myself actually.
Look at your face. You're so happy. I can see the smiles.
I know.
Give me more just now.
No.
Clara, pick up. Clara, just pick up. Just pick up!
That's Jim calling.
I know.
Because you walked into this room beaming with smiles and happy, and now you're like this.
Amanda, I lied, okay?
Lied about what?
Just leave it.
He has been calling repeatedly. I'm sure you know who he's going to call next.
Don't pick up.
Amanda, pick up! Pick up, please. Pick up.
Amanda, do not pick up that call.
Clara.
What really happened? I lied to you and it's his mom that happened.
How do you mean?
Yes, she called me, or more or less she cornered me, and I don't even know, she just started calling me names and saying that I should stay away from her son, calling me poor and all. Well,
I just knew it. Does Jim know about this?
No, he doesn't. And it seems like there's something else that he's hiding from me that I don't know.
I don't like that girl.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Is that all you're going to say?
What do you want me to say, Mom? You want me to say, oh, whatever, and get into an argument with you? I'm not going to do that.
This is not about me. It's about you.
We both know that everything is always about you. You tell me you don't like her and you just expect me to automatically hate her, right?
How long have you known that girl?
Her name is Clara.
I don't care. Do I look like I want to know her name? I'm not bothered. How long have you known her?
Listen, Mom. I have known her for 3 months, and to be fair, those have been the best 3 months of my life. She's just not your typical average Lagos girl.
Listen, I'm your mother, and I have been through a lot. And believe me when I tell you that girl is a gold digger.
How can you say that she's a gold digger, Mom? You only met her for what? 30 minutes, just once, and automatically, she's a gold digger.
That once was the only time I needed to figure her out.
You know what? Mom, I can't even really do this with you right now, okay? So I'm just gonna go.
Where are you going?
I'm going to right the wrong that you caused last night.
Jimmy. Stop now.
You know, call before you come to him.
Oh, who you? The more inside, I bet.
Guy, I beg, make it go.
See, guy, you need to get a hold of yourself. Wow, what's going on now?
This woman won't make me mad. This woman wants to run me mad. Do you believe that she actually told Claire not to talk to me again? She warned her to stay away from me.
Who, Momsi?
Yes, now.
But why?
I know. Listen, she needs to understand that I am not a kid anymore. I'm no longer little Jimmy that used to run around the house years ago.
Guy, just calm down. Maybe she has your best interest at heart.
Best interest at heart? Best interest at heart, that's why she's destroyed my guitar. Or best interest at heart, that's why she told Clara, the girl that I liked, to stay away from me. What about what I want? Jackson, what about what I feel?
Guys, see, just take it easy, okay? Just take it easy. I mean, speaking of Clara, how are things with you two?
Things were fine up until yesterday night. Now she's not picking my calls.
Wait, so now because of woman you won't cry now, Abi? Guy, calm down, Joe. See, don't worry. I'll speak to her for you.
You will?
I will.
Okay, nice one. You also may explain to him, say my mama dey mad.
Because of woman, your mama don't call now.
No, now. I go talk
again. Jimmy. See, you need to take things easy with you.
Oh.
Very good.
Sure.
Have you told her yet?
No.
You should tell her.
This guy is not going to change the fact that I have maybe 2 months to live.
I mean, days are flying.
I'm dying.
That's enough reason you should tell her.
This guy, it will kill her. It will actually kill her. The fact that
her wealth, her money, her connections cannot save her only son's life. I don't know if she'll be able to handle it, bro.
So how are your music stuff?
Yes, music. I met a producer. He said he has some beats for me. He said he has some things he wants me to listen to. So we're gonna go to the studio. We're gonna just,
You know, you amaze me. Like, how did you, like, why music? Why?
Guys, stop. Are you gonna support your best friend or are you going to discourage him?
Support you. Two-Face. Supporters Club. See.
If I slap you, sick person don't slap you before.
Try and I go woz you back.
More go.
Go where?
Studio now.
Studio. I bet don't be for VGC. You want to go studio.
Let's say you go enter back.
More they go, Joe.
Oga, you never finish this. Hey, fine girls don't come my way. Yes, babe. But you're still the one I want to. Girl, you know, Fine girls won't come my way. Yeah, I don't even mind loving you.
Ajani, please, what is this?
What's the meaning of what? Can't you see that I'm singing for you?
And so, how does it reduce the price of Gary in the market?
I beg you, sure. Anytime we see me, now so your man go just run like a ball we no get padlock. Which one be down? No be at the top sing for.
Ajani, me.
You're not even happy than me. Ajani Ojo. Senior rank officer. The only man that killed mosquito with his hand. 10 mosquitoes, one did not escape. Loving you, you don't even agree.
I can see you're sick.
I'm sick for your love now. Come now.
I beg you.
You won't have the rain, so I'll say. Just let them just admit me. For your love, I will die.
I can see you have nothing else to do, but I will not give you the pleasure. As you can see, it's raining. Stand and wallow in your idleness.
Come now. You and this big grammar. You're just speaking big grammar. Me, I cannot speak big grammar, but I'm trying the little way I can. I'm trying to sing music so you can like me like Oga Jim. You understand?
What are you saying? Put me in trouble.
Trouble? You will sit down for inside trouble. You dey chop, they do buffet and everything. You can't tell me say I won't put inside trouble.
How do you mean?
How do I mean? Hey, I'm supposed to be asking you now. Don't you know like the way you used to look at Oga anytime Oga is singing, you be winking eye, or maybe.
Do you want them to sack me?
Sack? I want to say you don't get another job for another place now. Because the way you do things, you know say madam dey chop bottle, you see they follow Oga Jim back to back like bumper to bumper.
I love the way he sings. So peaceful, emotional, powerful.
Rather, wish. I like it. I love you. See, rubbish you are saying. Me, that I'm showing you love. You cannot love me back. You are following somebody that you never even send you. You are following somebody that if madam don't catch you, like, they don't cut you, kill you, finish. You are doing. Continue now. What's my problem?
I have something on the fire. I can't stand and do this with you. I beg, leave me, please.
Let me sing one more song for you.
I beg.
See,
Every time I think about it, I just don't know what to do. And I don't know a lot of things, but I know I'm in love with you. I love my music, oh, and I don't know what to do. I love my music, and I don't know what to do. And I be sitting in the corner waiting for a beat. I hear the beat and I start to spit. I don't know about you, but I don't know what to do. I love my music, oh, and I don't know what to do. I love my music.
Come on, over that guy.
Yeah, yam me now.
But I got this song to go well. Choo, I thought
Yeah, I be sitting in the corner
See, the song
waiting
is
for a
too
beat.
loud.
Yeah, don't worry me. This guy don't play beat.
What did you tell me now? What to go? Look. Let me tell you something.
Man.
We need to put this one in our demo.
All right, let's do that then.
We need to go for shows, man.
I'll connect you to my guy. I am ready.
Look. Guy, it's much. It's too bad.
Yeah, too bad. So what's the next step, I beg?
Look. You know what? It's getting late, Sha. I will arrange the rest of the songs, okay? All right?
Like when? Give me date, I beg. See, you know, so I need mix and master on this night, eh?
This night?
But I'll call you, no worry. As soon as I'm done, I'll call you. My God!
I love you, man!
I love
True, Baba, man.
And I don't know what to do. I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Babe, you need to calm down, huh? Calm down.
How can I calm down? How can I calm down when everything in my life is upside down? Me and my mom are constantly fighting. Quit my job.
You did what? Why?
I was tired of working with my mom. That woman just wanted to control my whole life and I was done.
Jim, are you thinking? So how am I supposed to survive now? How am I supposed to take care of myself when you quit your job?
Baby, it might be rough. I know it might sound tricky right now, but I have a plan, okay? I'm going to put my heart and my soul into this music thing and...
Music? Are you thinking at all? You're leaving your job at your mom's company for music.
That's my point exactly. It is my mom's company. My mom's company is not mine. I want to have something that I can call my own.
Does she know about this?
Yes. That's the genesis of all these our arguments and our quarrels.
Jim, you do remember that you assured me to get a job at your mom's company. So how is that supposed to happen now when you have actually quit your job there?
Okay? Let me explain something to you, okay? I know that it may be a bit tricky now, but I will figure it out.
You know what? I'm not having this conversation with you right now.
Excuse me, ma.
What is it?
Please, ma, I need your help, ma. My mom is ill in the hospital and she needs medical attention. I don't have enough money to bear the cost, ma.
And so?
I was hoping if you could help me out, ma.
Do I look like I run a charity organization here?
No, ma.
Don't I pay your salaries?
Yes, ma.
Get out of here.
Please, ma, I'm begging you in the name of...
I said get out. Go!
Ikaete.
Sir?
Ikaete, what's wrong with you?
Nothing, sir.
Do I look stupid to you? I said, what is wrong with you?
My mom is dying, sir. And I don't have money to feed the medical bills.
Dying? Okay, so how much is it to sort out her bills?
300,000 naira, sir.
How long do you have to pay the money?
Tomorrow, sir.
Don't worry. Stop crying. Come. Stop crying. Okay? I will sort it out. Okay? Yes, I will sort it out. No, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. I will sort it out. Okay?
Thank you so much,
It's fine.
sir.
It's fine. She'll be fine. But wait, did you tell my mom about this?
I did, sir, but she did not agree to help me.
You told her your mom is dying. All right, wipe your tears, okay? Wipe your tears. And just finish what you have to do.
Thank you, sir. you, sir.
Even with all the money in the world, I cannot save myself. But with the same money, I can save someone else. Isn't life ironic?
Ikaite! Ikaite! Ikaite!
What is it?
Why is Ikaite?
Why are you screaming like as if she did something wrong?
Oh, she did something wrong. That girl is a thief. She stole my money.
She has gone to take care of her sick mom, and she did not steal your money. Okay? I took it. I saw it lying around carelessly and I took it. How about that?
You did what? You went into my room, took my money, and yet you opened your filthy mouth to tell me that I left my money carelessly in my own bedroom just because you want to give my money to one dirty maid, one filthy maid!
You slapped me. You slapped me because I took your change to help save somebody's life.
And I will do it again and again. Because I did not build my empire by running a charity organization.
Who are you? Who are you? That girl has served you diligently for years. And yet you turn your back on her when she tells you that her mom is dying?
It's okay. It's fine. I employed her. And I'm firing her.
Mom, don't bother about that. I already knew you were going to do this and I told her not to even bother coming back. How about that?
Oh, well, fine. And I hope our paths don't ever cross again. Ever! Again!
I hope so too. But just know that while you're out here crying over 300,000 naira, just remember that there are people that are out here that have millions and can't save their own lives. Just put that at the back of your head.
Hello? What is the address? I am his mom. Just give me the address.
Gregory. Gregory, what's going on? What's the problem?
Why can't go to me the guy see?
Who's in camp?
He came out. He came out.
Hey, you're making noise, man. Who's in camp? What happened? What's the problem?
If you know what happened, you can follow me the class. You follow me the cry. He came out and give up my life, but they can put me for this kind of condition. But I don't know, man. I never been crying. Oh my God, they prepare me. But I did sad.
All right, let me understand something. The girl broke your heart.
No, my heart is strong. The broke my heart. It's the worst part I broke now. Now he came. He came and he told me, I don't believe that she go. Man.
So, who's in camp? What happened?
He said I'm my wife, man.
Your wife?
Yes.
When did you get married?
Yes, I get married, but now Lagos be this now, so the thing they code there. Do you understand? But right now, so I wish to say I was not married. I didn't tell you.
All right. Stop crying. Whatever it is that's a problem, we can settle it. Did she sleep with another man?
You're not going to try her now. How can they sleep with him? I go kill him, man. But right now, I would prefer me sleep with another man, because if he sleep with another man, and the man will get this problem, not with me, nah. He can't. See the water come on my eye. Strong my life, it's not fair, nah. It's not fair.
What's happening?
You can't have my wife, you can't the village, you can't stay for village, you understand? Because me, I be sharp guy now, they work for offshore, yeah, now offshore, you understand? So I'm you understand? But it's not the village now, so nah, you can't go, you can't. Now go out there. My wife, I said, they talk to you now, my wife don't born 3 children.
Congratulations.
See, if not be talking because don't say my guy, I not be beat my guy, but they shake me. I tell you my wife born 3 children. You won't shake me. It's like don't tell me, I tell you, say, as you did, so I'm about rob you come to say, congratulations, what can you tell me that? I never been shop. 3 children. Well, you see this work, what they do for now, so this is the last you see me. Because the decision you see today, you will see no more.
I swear, Gregory, you are the most dramatic person that I have ever met in my whole life. Do you know how mad Madame will be if she comes down and hears that this is why you're crying?
I don't like to cry now, but the condition of the thing, I made me, they cry before. But yeah, I won't go now. I won't pack my load. I want to go this village. I'm not be there yet. I won't go meet in care. Many problems, people kill me. I want to go.
Alright, you know what's going to happen? I'll send you something. You still have your ATM, right?
Yeah, I my hand now. It's in my hand.
Okay. I'll send you something. Later, I'll explain to Madam.
Okay, because I don't feel stay. Delay, she's dangerous. Delay, she's dangerous. Now, the delay zone, I made this studio, they made me. So, you have that.
I understand.
I want to family plan, you know.
I understand. Just text me your account number. Let me have it again. Okay. And then, if you have a boy, make sure you name him Jim.
Oh, yeah? Hello, ma. You must be Jim's mom, I guess.
So you are the one deceiving my son?
I beg your pardon.
Shut up. My name is Patricia Adams. Does that name ring a bell?
Mrs. Adams? The Mrs. Adams? The oil and gas magnate? Oh, I'm sorry, ma. Do you want to sit down?
Name your price.
I don't understand.
I don't want to see you with my son any longer. I don't want you to work for him. I don't want him to work for you.
Look, let me tell you something, ma. Jim is a great singer, and he's one of the best I've ever worked with.
How long have you been doing this?
10 years, and still counting.
10 good years, and you're still counting. And you've got just this to show for that. Do you do shady deals too?
No, I don't.
No, you do not. No musician excels except they do shady deals. And I will not allow my son to be caught up in that.
That's not true. That's not true, ma.
You see, Jim has an empire to run. My empire. I don't want him doing this music nonsense. So, your price.
Come on. This guy, why is this one's number not going through like this now? Come on.
Wọ́n ti gbá pẹ́nátì lọ sórí yé máa sùn ó ṣe pàpò jẹ́ yé máa sùn bẹ̀rẹ̀ jó wọ́n ní pápádùpádùpá.
Ajani, where do you find this guitar?
Ọ̀gá mi, na for backyard o.
Where exactly?
One kọ̀rọ̀ níbi under something, you know those things when they help you. I don't even know say they use them because we almost bush out.
Shut up. Give me my guitar. If I slap you, I say, give me my guitar.
Let me see now. This thing, I lost was one now. I say they don't use them again now.
It's like you guys are playing with me in this house, Abi.
What?
Open the goddamn gate.
But bros, now me see am first. Now find something for me at least, sef. Appreciation.
Drago. Drago!
Hey.
Drago, why are you not picking my calls?
No, I've been a little bit busy, man.
I don't understand, Drago. You've been too busy for me.
Look, I don't want to be up against the high and the mighty, man.
The high and the mighty. This guy, what are you saying? This guy, why you... Wait. My mom was here.
Man, I'm afraid we have to call it quits here. Seriously. Play your tracks.
Drago, we had a plan. Drago, you're wrong for this.
Man, I'm sorry, man.
Drago, you're wrong for this, man, this guy. Drago! Nah, man.
Sorry, man.
Hey. Sorry, man.
Where are you coming from?
Coming from your show.
Where are you coming from?
I was in the studio. I was in the studio all night.
So you now use guns to record music?
Sit down.
Mom, please, I'm tired. I just want to sleep.
We need to talk. Sit. Have I ever told you how your father died?
Yes, you said that he died in a car accident.
No, he did not. He was shot.
As in I don't understand. He was shot by who?
The police.
That doesn't even make any sense. What was his offense?
Where are you coming from?
Hey, babe. I was in the studio. All night. Tired. Come from the studio. You look amazing. How's my baby doing? Babe. Look what I got for you. Just look at what I got for you. Ta-da!
It's beautiful.
I knew you'd love it. I was hoping.
I do.
Yep. Especially for you. Babe, what's the problem?
John, I don't like this.
No, but you haven't even tried it on. Like, if you tried it.
Do you know what I'm talking about? The means by which you get this. John, see, you've had enough, okay? Yes, we're not rich, but we are comfortable. John, please. I need you to please stop this. At least for our baby. Please.
Promise. I will. I promise you. But I need a little more time. You know? Please. Just a little time. I will. Promise, okay? Now, guess what I was doing in the studio all night? Babe, I did it like 4 times. I did a song for our baby boy.
No.
You need to listen. Why?
It's a girl.
Oh my goodness, baby, it's a boy. We need a soldier in the house.
It's a girl.
Okay, you win. It's a girl princess. I did a song for our baby. Baby.
Oh my God.
I know you look like your mommy. Or you gonna be smart like your dad. Hold up. That's my phone. That's my phone. Hey, no. So,
you're not serious.
I'm serious. So, baby, you should.
Someone is calling you.
Take it. Let me adjust this ring. Take it.
Okay.
Johnny, what's up?
Hey, how far am I, guy? What's up?
Johnny, there is problem.
What's the problem?
Those guys delivered those goods to last night. Boss said I should tell you and Michael that you guys should go and deliver the goods to them right now. I've loaded all the guns and all the bullets, everything are intact for you to go for it.
Hey. Sorry. Why did you excuse me? Why do you talk like this, bro? You just cast me in front of my wife, you know, you don't see the phone on speaker.
Why you put phone on speaker before? I been no vex, I
You don't know when phone on speaker. Then leave that guy. How? See, all these things that you're talking about, I need you to make sure that the guns are the proper ones. Not be that iron when Richard Carey come that day, when police nearly shoot me, die. I get pregnant wife here. You get what I'm saying? Just make sure all the guns don't be ready.
I understand, everything they ready.
Small thing, I'm going to call me ski now.
They come fast, I will wait for
Alright, I just see. Okay, hold up, man. No worry, good. Hey, baby. How long have you been standing here?
So you now use guns to record music?
Baby, it's a show that we have. Like, my friend invited me for this show, and it's going to be big. It's just the sound check, you know what I'm saying? That's what we're just going to do.
John Olajide Adams.
Babe, believe me.
And since when did you start going for shows without your guitar?
Come on, babe. It's always the first time.
I don't know what you have up your sleeve, but I know it's something I will not be proud of.
Babe, this will change our lives. It's going to be very big. Love you, okay? Hello, bro. I'll be there in no distance time, okay? Alright. See ya.
You don't have to try hard, you won't understand me. I'm really out here making all this money for my family. You don't have to try hard, you won't understand me. Why feeling really happy like you want a Grammy? So
Come on, man.
Have you checked the goods?
Everything is here, boss.
That's that?
Yes. Do perfect deals, bro.
Nice.
Yeah.
You can go. It's a done deal. Yeah, it's a done deal. You can leave.
The money.
Oh,
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Oh, okay. There is a change of plans.
Are you serious?
I'll spare your life. I'll let you walk.
Come on, man. You know I can't leave my product here without the money, man.
Hey, hold up.
Hey, man. What's up, man, bro? How far, man? You know,
Take a walk.
bro, I have a pregnant wife. Please, I beg you.
Take a walk.
I can't live without the money, man. Bro, I can't walk, man. I need the money for this product, man. Freeze! Freeze!
Boss, who are these, man?
You're under arrest.
Drop your weapon. Drop your weapon immediately. How dare you guys trespass into my territory? Huh?
Oh! But I am not my father, Mom.
But you're his son, and I don't want the same thing to happen to you.
Mom, I am sorry about what happened to Dad. But I am not my father. I am Jim. And as a man, comes to a point in time where you have to take responsibility for your actions. And I have made my decision. Good night.
Have you heard from Jackson lately?
Yeah, he called me yesterday. I'm even meant to go meet with Jim's mom later on.
Oh, alright. I discussed with a friend of mine today. Oh, he's helping us out in processing the visa. So immediately you get the money, we're out of the country.
Amanda, don't you think this is bad? Like, this is a very, very bad decision.
It is called survival. Sometimes in life, you take bold steps to get to your destination. And it doesn't matter who gets hurt along the way, okay?
I don't know why, but I'm just having a very bad feeling that Jackson is going to come after us.
We would be long gone before he realized what has happened to him.
He actually deserves what he gets, though. He's just a traitor and he doesn't deserve to be anybody's friend.
As for me, I'm already seeing myself abroad. And I can't wait to be in the white man's land.
It's to actually go there now and find one Oyinbo that someone can start a family with, eh?
That's the spirit. No darling, Joe.
Joe. That boy Jimmy. I can't believe this. Oh my god.
How are you?
I'm good. How have you been?
I've been fine now, you know.
What are you doing on the streets of Lagos?
Just now. What about you?
Wow.
Whose car is this?
It's my car, thank God.
I don't understand.
You know, after I moved out from Mom's house, I got a job as a head chef with Chevron, and ever since then, God has really been blessing me.
So happy for you.
Thank you. Let's talk about you, please. How is your music career going?
Well, yeah, my guitar, you know. We're just
Great.
grinding.
Okay, so have you heard about Sosi?
Behave now. What do you mean by I read about So Sick? So Sick, the producer.
Yes. So coincidentally, we attend the same church, and just last week I spoke to him about you, and we really love to see you.
Don't whine me now.
I'm serious. We would really love to see you. We attend the same church. So let me write his address down so you could go, you know, meet him up tomorrow or today. Hold on.
Wow.
It's not hard to find.
Okay.
Just
Tough times don't last, but tough people do. And as long as I got breath to me, I'm gonna enter that TV soon. Because I'm done waiting through the pain. I'm done waiting. I'm gonna make a name for myself. I don't care who, I don't care what, I don't care what's standing in my way. I don't care who, I don't care what, I don't care what's standing in my way. I am a fighter, I'm gonna fight through. I am a fighter, and I'm gonna fight through. Fighter, and I'm gonna make it through. I don't care what, I don't care who, I don't care who's standing in my way. Don't care what, I don't care who, I don't care whatever you say. I don't care what, I don't care who, I don't care, I don't care. I don't care what, I don't care who, I'm gonna make it through this pain. Don't care what, I don't care who, I don't care what, I'm gonna.
You're doing a great job.
Should I do it again?
Yeah, just take it one more time.
Let's do it again.
Come out real quick.
Let's come outside.
You guys good. Black guys. That was awesome, man. That was so freaking good.
You think so?
Great one.
That was fantastic, man.
Wait. Am I hearing one that said, do you really think so?
Huh? 25 years in this job. I really mean that, too. I know so.
Trust me, you still have a long way to go in this industry. And you know what? With a little bit of tweaking here and there, and the final touches from Bossman, you have a monster hit.
I know, my head is about to burst right now. Not because it's coming from you, to be honest, but because it's coming from you, sir. With all due respect, sir, you're the best in West Africa. How
long have you been singing?
I've been singing my whole life, and I'm 25 years now.
Great. So right now you want to go full-time into music?
Yes, sir, and it's not just because I love music, but it's more because I want to prove a point to my mom. I want to show her that I have what it takes to actually be fulfilled with what I love doing and be happy.
Sometimes, truly, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. Just love what you do what you love. Success will come. And with that success, that's when the true happiness comes. With talent like yours, you go blow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Let's run this one more time.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Let me just hear it. I don't care what. I don't care. I don't care. Sorry, let me pause it, please. Hello? Yeah, Ikaite, how are you?
Fine, sir. Just wanted to check up.
All right, thank you. I'm actually in the studio right now. You won't believe it. I'm so sick, and I'm with label boss himself.
Okay. I hope everything is going well, sir.
Everything is going on. Everything is going well. That reminds me, you're going to do something for me.
What is it, sir?
You're going to stop calling me sir. All right?
No, sir. I like it that way, sir.
See, listen to me, Kate. Me and you will fight too. If you call me sir, I will not pick up your calls. I will not speak to you anymore.
All right, sir. Sorry, sir. I mean, sorry for calling you, sir.
All right. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Sorry about that.
I can't do right.
Yes, sir.
I'm beginning to smell something fishy between those two, Abby. Yeah?
She's a sweet girl.
Okay.
Please play one more time.
Oh boy. Well, let's do this.
Yeah.
One more time.
I don't care what, I don't care who, I don't care who's standing in my way. Don't care what, hey! I don't care whatever you say. I don't care what, I don't care. Thank you so much, boss. Hey! I don't.
Studio? Wait, the one Ekaite linked you up with?
Exactly.
Guy, are you mad? You want to leave this big mansion to go live in a studio?
This guy, I know they tap me anyhow.
Because you don't get sense.
Thank you. Listen, as unreasonable as it may sound, I'd rather stay in the studio where I have peace of mind. Not in this house that every other day my mom is looking for something to fight me over. I can't keep on doing that every day, guy.
So what has she done this time?
She threatened to throw me out. This guy, I'd rather pack my load, JJ, before one day unexpectedly she just comes and I see my load outside on the road. Can't beg.
Jimmy. Anyway, you can come put up at my place for the time being. I mean, it's small, but it's comfortable till your mom comes to terms with the fact that you want to do music for the rest of your miserable life.
Thanks, man, but no thanks. Okay? I'll be fine.
Well, I never saw this coming.
Just the way I never saw betrayal from someone I felt so close to coming.
How do you mean?
Clara.
Oh, yeah, Clara. I mean, who would think someone would do something that terrible?
Guy, I felt so used. How could she use me to satisfy her selfish interest? Guy, I loved her. I truly loved her. When all the love, all the feelings, everything went out the window the minute money came involved.
Hey guy, wow, 5 million naira, she just disappeared like that. Took your love inside blender, blended it and breathed it in here. See, the heart of man is desperately wicked though.
It is. She proved my mom right. She proved my mom right that she was a gold digger. Guy, if not for a kite that was there to comfort me, this guy, I don't die.
Speaking of a kite, where is she? It's been long I saw her in this house.
My mom fired her now. My mom fired her, but she's lucky. She's gotten a job in Chevron and she's doing fine. I have moved on. I'm loving my music. Kaite is still here to support me, and the only way is up.
So when you speak of Kaite like this, I hope you know what I'm thinking.
Can't someone fall in love twice?
Jimmy, you fall in love 20 times. You.
Where your own love?
Yeah. When you go love. Wait. You want a Kaite?
Jim, where do you think you're going?
I'm going to a place that I can find peace. A place that I can actually decide what I want to do in my life without having to worry about your negativity.
You're just a big fool. And if you were not my son, I would have called you an idiot.
There's nothing that you haven't called me in this house, Mom. It won't be the first time.
Why do you always have to complicate matters? Why?
You know, I have a question for you. Ever since I've been a kid, I've done everything that you wanted. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard for you to support me just this once?
Because this same path that you have chosen was what your father chose, and he failed.
I am not my father! I am not my father! I am not my father!
You are his son! The moment you walk out through that door, you face a lot of hardship, torture and pain, because that is the only thing the world has to offer.
Listen, I have faced all the pain, all the torture, all the hardship possible under your roof. I'll be fine.
I have done everything for you. Everything. You seriously think you can survive out there without me? Son, what can you do without mommy?
That's exactly what I'm going to find out.
Madam, is there a problem?
I found these drugs in Jim's room. Do you know about them?
Let me see them. Well, I do.
Really?
Yes, I do.
How long has he been taking them?
Honestly, for a while now.
Please. What is wrong with my son?
Oh, well, madam, sorry, excuse me. Hello? What? I'll be there. I will be there. I'll be there. I'm coming. I'm coming. But I'm really sorry. I have an emergency. I have to run.
But please, can you just
I'm
tell
coming.
me?
I'll be back.
Guys, thank you so much for the food, man.
I'm glad you liked it.
It's not even only about the food, man. Like, thank you for just being present in my life. You came around and I don't know what I would do without you. I don't know where I would be without you.
Jim, I've always loved you. But I've been so scared of your mom, and Clara came into the picture and then she left. And now here we are.
Boss.
Maybe I should just leave you guys. But there's an important gig, a very important gig coming up next week. You get to meet important personalities, you know, ministers, senators, business moguls. I want you to blow their mind.
Okay, you want me to come with you?
No, I want you to play at that gig.
No.
Okay?
It's
a very classy event. Senators, I'm talking about. You know, this is Nigeria, you know. If you know the right people, everything is possible.
I know you.
But the good part of it, it's a 5 million naira. And you got to show them what you got. You understand?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so
I do not know whether you want to continue to do all this, you're kissing, or immediately you finish with all of this. See me because it's important.
All right, boss.
You gotta do that.
All right, boss.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'm so happy for you.
Listen, let me explain something to you, right? You've been my good luck charm. And I have always loved you. I just didn't know if it would have been nice to say.
Wow.
Who's calling me now?
Okay. I have to leave. Now. I have a lot to do. Don't worry, I'll give you a call later, okay?
All right, let's see.
Good luck. I'm so happy for you. Talk to you later, okay?
All right, babe.
Bye.
Strong enemy of progress is. Hello, Doc.
Hello, Jim. Your mom suspects your health condition.
Wait. Did you tell her?
No. She came into my office today with the pills I gave you.
How could she have forgotten my meds that are...
I would advise you come stay in the hospital. So I'll do a proper checkup on you.
I haven't taken my med... Ouch!
Hello, Jim. Are you okay? Where are you?
I'm at the studio, Doc. It hurts.
Hello, Jim.
It's been 4 days now, and I haven't heard anything from my son. Your best friend. I want him out of your house. Really? I thought he said he was coming to your house. Oh, that means you know where he is.
Doctor, what are you... What happened?
Really? You passed out, Jim.
I did.
No. This is the more reason why you have to follow me to the hospital.
No, doctor. Doctor, I'm not going to any hospital, okay? I feel fine now, okay? I feel fine. I have a show this night and I cannot miss it. Just give me like pain reliever or something.
Man, you can't. Look, You need enough of rest. A whole lot of rest.
This rest you're talking about, is it going to stop me from dying? No. Is it going to stop me from dying eventually?
No.
Exactly.
Well, it's fine then. I will just run along to the hospital.
Yes, let's do that.
But do make sure you call me if you feel any changes in your body, okay?
Alright.
Later, man. Take good care of yourself, huh? Oh.
Jackson, I am attending an event and I want you to talk to Jim to leave the singing madness and come with me. You know why? A lot of important personalities will be attending. And this is where contracts are signed and deals are sealed.
I doubt if that will be possible. Jim has a very important event as well, and he wouldn't give that up for anything in the world.
In that case, all I need to do is just press a few buttons and his contract will be terminated.
You don't want to do that, man.
I want to do that. That boy needs to know that I am his mother. And he cannot do anything without me.
Ma, to be honest, I don't know where the event is taking place, but one thing I know is that event means a lot to him.
I'll take care of that myself.
Okay, ma.
Jackson?
Ma?
Are you aware that Jim has been taking some pills?
No, ma. I'm not aware. What pills?
I have no idea, but I found quite a number in his room. Okay. You can go.
Okay, ma. But ma, I could accompany you to the event if you need someone to go with you.
Thank you. But no, you cannot. Because you're not my son. Oh, well, you can take me to the store. I need to do the groceries.
Oh, no problem. I can do that.
I'll be with you.
Okay, ma. I'll be downstairs.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I can see you guys are having fun, right? So I'm here to introduce to you one of the most prolific singers I've met in recent times. And trust me when I say this guy is a bunch of talent. I was with him backstage and trust me, he has a lot to offer to you guys tonight. So if your hands are not too busy, make welcome one of the most prolific singers I've met in recent times, Jim!
Okay, Jackson, remind me, when we get to the counter, I need a carton of this one,
And that's all.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
You tell them when we get to the counter.
Hey. Good evening. Good evening. Can you turn my mic up, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jim, and I'm here to perform to you right now. But before I start, I'd like to say that I do not take it for granted. The fact that you distinguished ladies and gentlemen are out here listening to me sing, it means a lot to me. Me standing right here performing to you is me fulfilling my dreams, and I'd like to say that regardless of where it is that you come from, Muslim, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Christian, Ijo, I like to say that as long as we preach love, as long as we preach togetherness, we can achieve and we can conquer. Thank you very much.
Case Beats. I'm incomplete without you, babe. The stars are bright without you, babe. I know the slip without you, babe. I cannot live without you. See the road I feel. I'm incomplete without you, babe. You, baby. See the stars and bright without you, babe. You, babe. I know the slip without you, babe. Hey, yeah. I cannot live without you. Hey, God. I'm incomplete without you.
Jim! Jackson! God, please! Help me!
I can't take it any longer. The pain. My body is shutting down and I don't think that I can survive any longer.
Yes, you can. And by the grace of God, you will.
I heard you paid Clara off.
Yes, I did. It was all Jackson's idea, and I went along with it. But that was a terrible thing to do. Very stupid. I wasn't thinking right. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the whole thing. Please forgive me.
I would have died a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
I would have died of depression. Just thank God for bringing a kite into my life.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. I love you, son. I love you so much. I do.
Jean, I'm pregnant.
You are?
Yes, mommy.
Oh, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, Lord.
Please. Me and my baby. Itera will come in. Mom.
Yes, son.
Please promise me that you take care of Ekaite.
Oh, yes, I will. I will take good care of her. And you too, darling. You will be here. Okay?
I love you so much.
Oh.
Please donate the money to a charity.
Sorry, darling. Sorry, darling.
Don't spend any of it. Promise. Never forget that I love you. I love you too, Mom.
I love you, son. I love
But
you.
the pain.
Sorry, darling.
Can't take it anymore.
Oh, sorry.
At least I know that now. I can go to rest knowing that I fulfilled my destiny.
say that. Don't say that, please.